Most of my research in the last several years has focused on the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution. And the Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable government searches and seizures. So, for example, the Fourth Amendment is the reason that police would generally need a warrant if they want to come into your house and look for evidence. And a lot of my recent work has focused on this threshold question of what constitutes a Fourth Amendment search. And so a lot of my work has been aimed at trying to steer a middle ground between strict originalist approaches to defining what constitutes a search, which are focused in a very sort of rigid way on history and in particular on property rights on the one hand, and on the other hand, a purely unfettered sort of policy-based approach to examining the kinds of government conduct that should be regulated by the Fourth Amendment. My middle ground approach is a sort of traditionalist approach that looks at history and tradition as a guide to determining what constitutes a Fourth Amendment search, but also has enough flexibility to allow incremental reform as societal values change and as new technologies develop.